So hey guys, today we are going to learn for loop. In this video we will discuss for loop syntax and also we will discuss what's the difference between while loop and a for loop. That's very important. And another important thing is when we use for loop and when we use while loop. That's very important because the programmers stuck at DSA because of this. They did not find the difference between while loop and a for loop. Today we will discuss these points. Guys, we have already discussed the while loop in the previous video. So if you want to clear your concept of while loop, you can also watch that video. So let's start our today's video, which is about for loop. This will be the syntax of the for loop. First, we will initialize an integer here, which is one, and I. Then we will do a condition. Condition can be anything. Like we have written here, we will print number from 1 to 5 and we have to increment the operator also. Then we will here system.out.println. Then we will write here printing the iteration from 1 to 5. We will write here. So we get output according to this. Okay. And we will add here addition and a. Let me guys comment out the while loop, otherwise it will merge with the for loop output. So let me run the code. It will take time. Let's see here our output. You can see here our iteration is running from 1 to 5. Hope you guys get the syntax. It is very simple. So the question rises in our mind, like what's the difference between for loop and a while loop? Difference between for loop and a while loop. And the second question that is in our mind is when we use a while loop and when we use a for loop. That's the question must rise in your mind if you are learning this for the first time. So the while loop is used when we are checking a boolean condition. Okay, guys, when we are checking a boolean condition. So let me write here. You can see here we are checking a boolean condition. So when we use while loop, we will use while loop when we are checking an boolean condition. Boolean condition. And when we use for loop, we use for loop particularly for array. When we are iterating an array on the base of index. In next few video we will learn about array, in which I will teach you array will start from the index 0. So hope you guys get it, the simple difference of for loop and while loop. Guys, I'm repeating this for last time. When we use while loop, while loop is used when we are checking an boolean condition, and when we use for loop, we particularly use for loop for iterating in array with an index. It will be more clear to you guys when I will upload the array video on my channel. So you must subscribe my channel and like this video, and hope you get it today's concept of for loop. And if you want to clear all the previous concepts of Java like variable, operator, you can see on my channel. I have made a playlist of Java basics to advanced. So you must access that playlist. That's it for today's video. Bye bye.